someone say atom, protons, neutrons, and electrons, and nucleus? Well, today I'm going to be explaining all of those things, plus the periodic table of elements. Let's jump right in. First, the atoms. I'm going to ask you a question. What do you think atoms look like? Like this, or like this? The correct answer is this, right in the middle, right here. They don't look like this or this. Atoms have a cloud around them, or as we depict, a valence shell. The thicker the cloud, the larger the chance that an electron will be there. The thinner the cloud, well, you guessed it, the smaller the chance an electron could be there. So, most likely, in a hydrogen atom, the electrons would be right here, over there. Now, let's get into the nucleus. The nucleus of an atom is depicted as a clump of yellow and red balls. The yellow balls are usually depicted as neutrons, and the red balls are usually depicted as protons. Protons have a positive charge. Neutrons have a neutral charge. You can remember this easily by positive protons and neutral neutrons. The electrons, they just have a negative charge. You can't really remember them by things. Now that you know a lot about these atoms, you can understand the periodic table, which is the second part of this video. This is the periodic table. It consists of rows and columns. And we have these people down here. I'm not sure what they're doing. Now, let's pick a random atom to get started with. Okay, I've chosen silver. Now let's zoom in on it. Good. Now silver has this atomic number, which is 47. 47 is the defining number of all the atoms. It differentiates everything because this atomic number is the number that depicts how many protons a certain atom has. So hydrogen has 1 proton, helium has 2, and silver has 47. Now, when you look at this picture, the first thing you might see is these big letters right here. And these big letters are the chemical symbol that represents an atom's name, like silver. And you might be asking, why is it Ag and not Si? Well, Si is silicon. Or why is it not Sl then? Well, Sl is a perfectly good name, but calm down, let me explain, okay? Silver is the new name for silver. The old name was argentum. That's why it stuck around as Ag. Infuriating, right? This is the same reason that Argentina was named Argentina. Let me tell you a story. Back in the old days, people believed that Argentina had mountains made up of silver. So, mountains of argentum. That's why people call it Argentina. A name stuck around for something completely unrelated. Perfect for the periodic table. In other diagrams, you might see another funny number. It could be 17 or 16. But it will always be greater than the atomic number. The second funny number is the mass number. the mass number, but the mass number is the number of protons and the number of neutrons added together. So in, let's say, oxygen, we have 8 protons and the mass number is 16. All we have to do to find the number of neutrons is subtract the mass number by the atomic number. 16 minus 8 is 8. Now let's pick a new atom. Lithium. Why lithium? Because I like lithium. Lithium has an atomic number of 3, and so it has 3 protons, and it has a mass number of 7. And so if we subtract the mass number by the number of protons, which is 3, we get 4. 4 is the number of neutrons in the lithium atom. See, it's sometimes different. And 4 neutrons, 3 protons is just enough to keep this atom from going boom. Is the explosion done? Yep. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you've learned something new.